So my question is, they're NASA's exploring space, and like you say, they're just trying to back up what they already believe. They're trying to come up with just anything that supports the Big Bang Theory or supports whatever evolution that they believe. Do we have anybody that's taking their information and using that to come up with God created the world and it's expanding, and that universe expansion looks like Big Bang, but where are we in putting that information together?
Well, there are people out there that ICR does that a lot. Yeah, they've come up with a lot of good information. I mean, one can't argue against that because they've come up with a lot of important information, a lot of it which ICR has used. For example, in order for life to live on the Earth, we have to have, for several reasons, a magnetic field. And therefore, planets many don't have a magnetic field. That's a problem. And we do. We've got a really good magnetic field. Why do we have such a good magnetic field? Well, the Earth is designed for life. And so there are a lot of things they have discovered which we have found very, very useful. It's kind of like they're trying to prove the opposite, and they are proving our view indirectly and inadvertently.
Yes.
And so I don't want to complain about, it's probably better to spend money on that than burning cities down. We spent $2 billion to fix the cities they burned down. And that totally is a waste of money. But we have to rebuild, so therefore it's probably better to spend it on space programs than burn down police stations and having to rebuild them.
See, to pass laws that we get equal time.
Yeah. Well, we need a good case. We need a good Supreme Court case. And maybe if we get one more conservative judge appointed, maybe we can get a good case that we can talk about the other side. So we'll see what happens. But we have the evidence on our side, and I think that's one reason they don't want us to present our side, because it's too convincing. They know, and they've said this, most students will accept your worldview and not our atheist worldview, and therefore we've got to keep you out so we have a monopoly so we can present our ideas without opposition.
Wow, what a beautiful answer and a correct answer.